Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is electricity price prediction. Okay, so let's do it. This particular Streamlit application is based on the electricity price for a particular country or a particular state. We will try to calculate price for a particular state. Okay, so first input is day of week. Which day? We will write as 5th. Week of the year, we will just write it as 43rd week, year 2020. Okay, this is 10. Forecasted wind production for the whole state. Okay, so we will assume it as 2000. Okay, it's just an assumption. You can check whatever you want. And national loads we will write as 4 lakh. Forecasted price we can just assume at 5 lakhs. Actual wind speed measure we can write as 34 knots. CO2 intensity for electricity produced we will type as 500, and actual wind energy production we can write as 550. Actual national load we can write as 1 lakh, and we will predict the price. So we can check that the electricity price is 2,85,560. It's just a basic approximation. If you have accurate data, then you can just type in your accurate data. You can check the price whether it is predicting correct or not. You can check based on your test cases. The link is in the description. And if you want to check for the code for this file, you can visit file section and app.py. Here you will get all the code, how the model is trained, tested, and it is predicting the electricity price. You can check all of these things here.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.